In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background color from PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever opened a PDF that has a colored wash or image sitting behind the text, it can make printing wasteful and on-screen reading harder on the eyes. The good news is that if that color was added as a formal background in Acrobat, you can remove it in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly and at a comfortable pace. With your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, look toward the top or the right-hand pane for the Edit controls. Click Edit to activate Acrobat's editing mode. If you don't see an Edit button, you can also open the Edit PDF tool from the Tools view. Once you're in the editing workspace, you're in the right place for managing backgrounds. Next, find the Background option in the Editing toolbar. Background is Acrobat's feature for placing a uniform color or an image behind your page content. Clicking Background will reveal choices like Add, Update, and Remove. Since we want to get rid of the existing background color, choose Remove. Acrobat will then ask you to confirm. Click Yes to proceed. This tells Acrobat to strip out the background object that was applied to the document. In most cases, this applies to all pages that had a background, so you don't have to repeat the action one page at a time. It's a quick way to go from a tinted document back to a clean white canvas without touching the text or images on top. After the confirmation, take a moment to scroll through a few pages to make sure everything looks as expected. Text should be easier to read, and colors used in charts or images should remain unchanged. If you notice that the pages still look tinted, it likely means the color wasn't added as an Acrobat background. It might be baked into the scanned page image or created as part of the original artwork. In that situation, the Remove Background command won't have anything to delete, which is why you're not seeing a change. You can still continue working, and if you need a truly neutral page, consider requesting a cleaner source file or exploring more advanced production tools. One more tip. Immediately after removal, you can use Undo if you change your mind during this session. Otherwise, review the document, and when you're satisfied, you're done. That's all it takes to remove a background color using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your PDFs clear and printer-friendly.